Then you want to go to the turn signal, just slightly so you don't crack this turn signal. Pop it. And the turn signal is supposed to come off. Just is right there, like that. And don't force it in because it should go back. See right here? It's clicked right there. Don't pull it, just kind of let it bit back. And that's how you take the turn signal off. You can either unplug the clip or just twist it over. Usually by twisting it, it goes this way. Same thing shows right here, lock this way, unlock the other way. So just like that, and your turn signal is off. Make sure these don't break. Put them out of the way. So to put the turn signal on, I bought a new one right here, and I have to put it on. Pretty much if you took this off, this clip, you just have to click it in, these bulbs. But if you didn't, just like this, all you do is put them inside here and just twist them. So pretty much I put this one in and twist it this way. Line it up and twist it. Same thing with this. Here it has two. Line up two right here and then twist it until it locks. And that's how you do it, this thing. And then to put the turn signal on, it just right here, these clips right here goes in back this way. That lines up. And then you push this in and it goes inside that hole right there. And there you go. That's how you put the turn signal on. Mine, since I bought this aftermarket, I have to make the hole just a tiny bit slightly bigger so this will fit. On my stock one it didn't fit, but since this is aftermarket, it might fit. I'll see. But if it doesn't, I have to just slightly modify this hole. So that's how you put the turn signal on.